Hello everyone. So today I bought Xiaomi 212 HyperCharge Power Bank 25,000. And I think it's a really good power bank in $90. So let's see what's inside. So it's a protective cover on it, like a glossy sheet. So first I'm gonna remove that with the knife I have here. Let's just remove that. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's just remove it. Okay, and now let's see the box itself. So here's the front of the box. We have something in Russian, I guess. And we got the Xiaomi 212 HyperCharge Power Bank 25,000, and it's in different language as well. I don't know which language is that. And then we got, it says airline safe, okay, and then that's the front. And then at the left side we have 100 watt fast charging, self-charging. So it's gonna charge itself at 100 watt. Okay, and then we have 1.3-inch TFT the color display. Okay, and then at the bottom we have smart display. Okay, and on the right side we have single port 140 watt max, and flash charging PD 3.1 is supported. And then we got multi-port output 212 watt max. Okay, and then last one we have large capacity and allowed on airplanes. Okay, all right. So, and that's here's the back of the box. We got name power bank, model number P03MI, battery time lithium ion battery, and output 212 watt max. All right, and then we got the other specification of the power bank, as you can see here. Let me just focus it. So okay, see these are all the specs. Now let's open this. Okay, it's a pretty tight box. Let's just open it, and it's really satisfying to open this box. Okay, here's the empty top cover, and at the bottom we have the power bank itself. Okay, let me just take it out. So they have a little grip here to just take it out with the plastic. Okay. Okay, it's pretty heavy, you know, because there are 5,000 watt cells in it. Okay, and then let's just peel this off. Okay, so oh shoot, sorry. Okay, so that's how you peel this off. Okay, I don't know if it's a right way or wrong way, but yeah, I think that's how you peel this off. Okay, so that is a power bank, and yeah, it looks pretty shiny, and I can see all the circuits with a transparent display, transparent front actually, and then side is transparent as well. On the back we have some model specs, I guess. You might not be able to see it because it's in black on gray. So, and that's 25,000 written, and then we got these specs. I'm trying to focus. Okay, and that's the back. Okay, and at the top we have so at the top we have, let me just focus. Oh, it's pretty difficult to focus this. Okay, so at the top we have two Type-C port and one output USB port. Okay, so that's one. This one is 120 watt, and these are this is 140 watt max, and this is just says input output 140 and 120 USB-C, USB, and USB-C. This one is 140, and then we got the input output symbol, and this is the bottom of this power bank. And basically that's it. This is the left side, also transparent. Right side is also transparent, and yeah, that's basically it for the power bank itself. Okay, it's a pretty neat looking box. Oh, okay. So, well, this is how the display looks. So right now it's at 0.07%. You know, it's not charged at all. Yeah. Okay. And I think I can charge my laptop with it as well. I'm gonna see. First I'm gonna have to charge it, and then I'm gonna make another video, or maybe include in this one, if it's able to charge my laptop, my 8th generation laptop. Okay. So where's the laptop now? Let's see what we have. What else we have inside the box? So this now is empty with this, only this box. And let's see. So we got this cable. Okay. It's pretty. Okay. Just tear this open. And we got the Type-C charging cable. I think it's a pretty fast charging cable because it's orange, you know. I don't know what the specs of this cable are, but this looks really fast. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it, basically. Okay, and then we got a warranty notice. This is the warranty notice of this. And that's basically it for this charging. Oh, actually, wait. There's something else in this box. Let me see. Oh, okay. So there's another booklet which says manual, user manual. Okay, so this is the user manual, and that's it, basically. So that's all this that's all the things we have inside the box. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, everyone. So I've charged my power bank, and it's fully charged right now. As you can see, it says 100% electricity. Well, this is the first time I've seen electricity on a power bank. But yeah, well, it does output 140 watt, you know. Let me just see if you can see it here. Right? So, I don't know. It's difficult to focus it. Okay. So, it does, you know, give you a lot of power, and it's really powerful. So what I wanted to show you guys, that it can charge my old laptop. Well, I wouldn't say charge because there's no battery in that laptop. So it's my old laptop which doesn't have a battery, and I'm gonna show you that it can charge it. As you can see, it's a pretty dirty laptop, old. It's pretty old. It's 5570 inspired. Okay, let's see if I can turn this on, because this laptop doesn't have any you can say battery. So let me just connect this with this laptop. So here's the Type-C port that I'm gonna use to charge this laptop, to actually turn this on laptop. So this is gonna be direct in directly connected to the power source, instead of I'm not gonna be using their charging port because, well, I can't. I'm gonna be using the Type-C port. So let's just see how it turns on. Okay, so I'm gonna connect it with the 140 watt this Type-C port here. This is the cable that came with the power bank itself. So let's just connect it. Okay, and let's see if it turns on. Sorry, go ahead. Okay. Oh, it turned on. Okay, it worked. Okay, let's see. Let me show you guys. So it worked. Okay. As you can see, the laptop is definitely working. Okay, also let me show you just one more thing. I'm gonna adjust the view, and I'm gonna show you another thing that is really cool, like how much electricity or the power it uses per minute. So as you can see here, it tells you how much power it's using right now. Okay, so let's just, okay, and then as you can tell, so now you should be able to see how much power it's using, right? So cool, it's so cool. I love it. It's really cool. And I can use my laptop without my battery inside the internal battery, and it's working really nice actually. So it can output up to 140 watts, you know, and I don't know why I am not able to focus on that, but yeah, it can, you know, give this device up to 140 watt per watt. Okay, 140 watts, sorry, my bad. So anyways, so that's what I wanted to show you guys, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next unboxing video. Thank you.